You'll accept the order, you'll prepare it, cook it, pack it,
So,
you'll hit done, and then you'll put it on the shelf right out here, and the cloud worker will come grab it.
so tell me about that again. There's going to be, it's not going to be a screen.
Yes, you'll have a screen
screen
like
right
an
here.
iPad or something.
Okay.
And all your orders, our system is called Otter. All your orders will come through our Otter system. You will have one list of every order. No need to worry about any of the different delivery applications that you could be using.
Okay.
So once you have your queue, you'll just accept the order. You'll start preparing it. When you're done preparing it, you hit done. You put it out on the shelf in the hallway. We don't have the shelves there yet, but we will. You put it on the shelf in the hallway, and then the cloud runner takes it to the processing center.
Okay. Wow. Sounds good.
Yeah, it's a great system they have. I know if I
So,
love to cook.
how
if I
many
had
kitchen
fun.
will be here?
There are 40 hot kitchens.